Hello students, welcome to all your scholar classes. So today I will be taking from class 7 science chapter 7 conservation of plants and animals. This is the part 1 of the chapter. We will see how we can conserve plants and animals in our environment. Okay? So we all know that a great variety of plants and animals exist on the earth. We can see that there are lots of types of plants are there, lots of types of animals are there. If we talk about animals, some are wild animals that lives in forest or in jungles or in zoos. We can see some pet animals are there which we keep at our home, and we can see there are variety of domestic animals which we can see around us, or they are kept in the farms. Okay, like that there are variety of plants. We do gardening at our home also. In the forest, in the jungle, there are big trees and all. So there is a variety, we can say, of plants and animals which exist on the earth. Okay, so now for these plants and animals, they should be healthy. Okay, so there are essentials for well-being and survival of mankind. Okay, these plants and animals, they are very essential, very important. Why they are very important? They are important for our well-being, okay, and for our survival. If human needs to survive, we should have plants. Why we should have plants for our survival? How plant is connected to us? If there would be no plant, there would be no oxygen. We know that plants take carbon dioxide and they release oxygen. And oxygen is one of the essential factor for us. Okay. Secondly, these plants, they give us food. Okay. And similarly, we see animals. There are many animals that we eat. They give meat and all, or they give us egg. And some are dairy animals that gives us milk and all. So these animals and plants are important, are very essential for our mankind, for us, due to variety of reasons. Okay, now nowadays what is happening, a major threat of survival of these organisms is because of a word that is called as deforestation. Okay, because of deforestation, these plants, these animals, they are extinct. Okay, so firstly we will see what is deforestation, what is the meaning of the term deforestation, and then we will see what are the different causes of deforestation. Okay, and after that we will also discuss the drawback. What is the consequences of being deforestation. So deforestation means clearing of forest. How these forests are being cleared? By cutting off trees. Okay, when in the forest trees are being cut, so these forests are being cleared. And why they are being cleared? Using that land for other purposes. Okay, so what nowadays man is doing? They are cutting the trees that are present in the forest and the jungle, and the land of jungle or the land of forest or some other land where the trees are being cut, what they are doing, they are using that land for some other purpose. It can be any other purpose. Other purpose may be for building a house. If you have to build a house, you need some land, and that land should be cleaned. So if there are some trees, people will cut that. Or if some society is to be developed, some industries or anything, any purpose it can be. So people are just destroying the trees, the land properties of these plants, and they are using it for some other purpose. Okay, so this term is called as deforestation. Deforestation means clearing of forest or cutting of trees and using that land for other purposes. Okay, now why deforestation is want to make some societies, some flats, building houses, factories, इसके लिए भी क्या हो रहा है, deforestation is being done. Thirdly, what is there? These woods are being used for making our furniture. The tree are being cut, and of that the table, the chair which you are using in your class, they are made. So making furniture or using wood as a fuel. Some places wood is used as a fuel. Okay. So if we will talk about why deforestation is done, there are main three reasons. The first one is the procuring land for cultivation. The second is building houses and factories, and the third one is making furnitures or using wood as fuel. Okay, so these are some of the man-made reasons of deforestation. Okay, so we will see why deforestation is done. Deforestation is done, okay, by man or by humankind. Okay, so the first reason is procuring, okay, procuring land for cultivation. Fine. The second reason is for building houses and factories. Building houses and factories. Fine. Now the third reason of deforestation is making furnitures, or also these trees are used as a fuel. These woods are used as a fuel. Making furnitures. Okay, फर्नीचर बनाने के लिए डिफरेंट फर्नीचर्स बनते हैं. आप अपने घरों में देख सकते हैं कि आपके मैक्सिमम जो फर्नीचर्स हैं वो किसके बने हुए हैं, वुड के बने हुए हैं. और wood is also used as fuel. Okay, so this are the three man-made reasons of deforestation. Now the question is that, is there some natural reason also for deforestation, some natural causes of deforestation? So the answer is yes. कुछ natural reasons भी हैं deforestation के, हमारे nature की वजह से भी deforestation हो रहा है. Okay, ये तो man-made reason हो गया कि हाँ ये man-made, हमारी man की ये गलती है या humankind की ये fault है कि उसकी वजह से deforestation हुआ. बट कुछ natural reasons भी हैं, nature की वजह से भी deforestation के reasons हैं. जैसे कि सबसे important है forest fires. Sometimes you must have heard that some fire has been caught in a forest. Forest fire की वजह से deforestation होता है, पूरा forest जो होता है वो जल जाता है. And if there is a severe drought, अगर रेनफॉल नहीं होती है, ड्रॉट पड़ जाता है, बिल्कुल सूखा पड़ जाता है सीवियर वाला, तो सारे प्लांट्स दे विल डाई. ओके, तो ये भी एक रीजन है डिफॉरेस्टेशन का. तो अगर हम नेचुरल रीजंस की बात करें, नेचुरल रीजंस ऑफ डिफॉरेस्टेशन, so there are two natural reasons of deforestation. The first one is forest fires, and the second one is when there is a severe drought. Okay, it means कि बहुत ज़्यादा सूखा पड़ जाए, इतना सूखा पड़ जाए कि बिल्कुल पानी ही ना मिले प्लांट्स को कि वो ग्रो कर सके. Okay, so the second reason is the severe drought. अगर पानी, we know that these plants they grow because of the water, and if there will be no water, there will be scarcity of water, there is no rainfall, severe drought will be there, and these forests they will be destroyed. Okay, so these are two of the natural reasons, and these three are the man-made reason why deforestation is occurring, means why these woods are being cleared or these forests are being cleared. Okay, now we will see what is the consequences of deforestation. Deforestation की वजह से क्या होता है, क्या रिजल्ट है उसका. ओके, Now let's discuss the consequences of deforestation. Means क्या रिजल्ट होता है डिफॉरेस्टेशन की वजह से? ये जो हम कटिंग ऑफ ट्रीज करते हैं या किसी भी नेचुरल फिनोमेनन की वजह से भी अगर डिफॉरेस्टेशन होता है, ट्रीज का लॉस होता है, प्लांट्स का लॉस होता है, तो उसका क्या रिजल्ट होता है? व्हाट इज द रिजल्ट ऑफ दैट? व्हाट इज द कॉन्सिक्वेंस ऑफ दैट? द फर्स्ट थिंग इज दैट कि अगर डिफॉरेस्टेशन अगर करता है, द टेम्परेचर इज गोइंग टू इंक्रीज. ओके, टेम्परेचर बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाएगा. एंड इफ द टेम्परेचर इज गोइंग टू इंक्रीज, pollution level on the earth will also increase. Okay, so there is an increase in the temperature and pollution level on the earth. अगर deforestation होता है तो temperature increase करेगा और pollution level भी जो है earth पे वो increase करेगा. Okay, so increase in the temperature and pollution level on the earth. Okay, next what is going to happen is that if there will be deforestation, we know that these plants they take CO2. so अगर plants नहीं होंगे तो वो CO2 भी नहीं कैप्चर करेंगे, नहीं एब्जॉर्ब करेंगे. Okay, so this CO2 that we exhale will be increased in the atmosphere. Okay, so it is going to increase the level of CO2 in the atmosphere. Okay, CO2 का जो लेवल है वो भी एटमॉस्फेयर में बढ़ जाएगा because of deforestation. Now the third very important thing is that the groundwater level gets lower. जो groundwater का level है वो lower हो जाएगा. Okay? Groundwater level lower down. Okay? So this was the third result, or you can say the consequence of deforestation. Now the very important thing is that this deforestation it disturbs the balance in our nature. Okay, जो हमारे एक natural balance है nature का वो बिल्कुल भी disturbed हो जाएगा. क्यों? क्योंकि tree cutting होगी, एक तो जो भी gases हैं उनका balance disturbed हो जाएगा and everything is related to them, so that's why deforestation is going to disturb the balance in the nature. Okay, so it disturbs, okay, it disturbs the balance in nature. Okay, it is going to disturb the balance of a nature or balance in nature. Okay, next what is going to happen? Rainfall and fertility of the soil will decrease. Rainfall will also decrease. The fertility in the soil is also going to decrease when there will be no trees or trees cutting is being done very far. Okay, so rainfall and fertility of soil decreases. Okay, so you can see that there is lots of drawbacks of deforestation. Okay, next what will be there? There will be a lots of chance of natural calamities to occur. Okay, natural calamities like flood can occur, droughts can occur because there will be because of deforestation. Okay, so there will be an increased chance of natural calamities to occur. Okay, so these natural calamities can be anything. It can be flood, it can be droughts, it can be any disturbance in the nature. Okay, excuse me. The next very important thing is because of the deforestation is that it leads in the decrease in the water holding capacity of a soil. Okay, that's why it is one of the reason that groundwater level lowers down. Why groundwater level lowers down? Because deforestation leads in the decrease in the water holding capacity of the soil. Okay, the soil is not able to hold the water, and because of that also soil is going to leave, or you can say the soil is going to have less nutrient content, texture and all these, they are being lost. soil के जो textures हैं, जो nutrient contents हैं, ये सब भी deforestation की वजह से धीरे धीरे loss होने लगते हैं. Okay, so decreases the water holding capacity of a soil, decreases the water holding capacity of soil. Okay, and the other properties of soil like their nutrient contents, the texture and etc. is also being changed, or you can say lost due to deforestation. Other properties of the soil like soil texture, its contents etc. are being changed. Okay, and the fertility is also being lowered down. The fertility of the soil is also being lowered down. Okay, so we can see that these are some of the consequences of deforestation. There is an increase in the temperature, pollution level also on the earth increases. Increase in the level of CO2 in the atmosphere is going to increase. Groundwater level is being lowered down. Disturbs the balance in the nature. Natural balance जो है nature का वो disturb होगा. Rainfall and fertility of the soil decreases. The soil becomes unfertile. They do not give that much of production of crops. Okay. There is an increased chance of natural calamities to occur. Decrease in the water holding capacity of the soil. Water holding capacity जो soil की वो decrease होती जाएगी. और soil के और भी बहुत सारे features हैं, like soil का texture है, soil के contents हैं, उनमें जो minerals present हैं वो सब change होते जाते हैं. Okay, so these are some of the results, or you can say some of the consequences of deforestation. Next, let's see what drought causes. Okay, as we have seen that because of deforestation, drought is one of the, for deforestation drought एक natural reason है. अगर severe drought हो जाता है तो भी deforestation होता है. तो हम लोग देखते हैं कि drought होता क्या है and how it is being caused. Okay. So let's discuss about droughts. ये एक natural factor है, natural occurrence है. Drought हो जाता है जब drought हम क्या बोलते हैं, जब सूखा पड़ता है, जब rainfall नहीं होती है, drought हो जाता है, बिल्कुल dry हो जाता है land, तो उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, droughts. Okay? तो droughts क्या है? Droughts is a natural occurrence. It occurs naturally occurs. Okay, कोई man-made के कारण ये drought नहीं occur होगा, ये naturally occur करेगा. So what happens when there is a fewer trees? Would means that less carbon will be used. We know that जब deforestation होगा, cutting of trees होगी, तो tree less हो जाएंगे. जब trees कम होंगे, we know that these plants, these trees, they take carbon dioxide. और अब वो carbon dioxide नहीं लेंगे, तो carbon dioxide would be less. They are not going to be consumed much, and that is going to result in the amount of increase in the atmosphere. The level of carbon dioxide increases in the atmosphere. Okay, क्या होगा? सबसे पहली चीज, cutting trees cut होंगी, and we know that these tree or any plant they take carbon dioxide. अब ये carbon dioxide नहीं ले पाएंगे क्योंकि ट्री कम हो गई, कम ट्री रहेगी तो कम कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ये लेंगे. तो एटमॉस्फेयर में क्या होगा? इन एटमॉस्फेयर लेवल ऑफ CO2 इंक्रीजेस. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का जो लेवल है, जो अमाउंट है, वो इंक्रीज हो जाएगा एटमॉस्फेयर में, एंड दिस विल लीड टू ग्लोबल वार्मिंग एज कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. दिस इज गोइंग टू लीड टू दिस लीड्स to global warming as carbon dioxide, or you can say as CO2. Now what is going to happen? This traps the heat rays reflected by the earth. जो heat rays reflect back होगी earth के through, उनको ये trap करेगा. When it is going to trap that heat rays, there will be increase in the temperature. Obviously जब heat rays को वो ट्रैप करेगा तो temperature में increase होगा. So the increase in the temperature on the earth, it is going to disturb the water cycle. इससे क्या होगा? Water cycle पूरी हमारी disturb होगी, and it reduces the rainfall. Rainfall जो है कि reduce होगा. So this is going to lead to the global warming. Okay, जब global warming होगा, temperature on the earth increases. Temperature on the earth increases. Okay, and when this temperature on the earth is going to increase, it will disturb our water cycle. Water cycle क्या है? हमारा जो रेनफॉल का पूरा साइकिल है कि कैसे रेन अगर होती है वो पूरा डिस्टर्ब होगा. ओके, सो दिस विल डिस्टर्ब the water cycle. Okay, it is going to disturb the water cycle, and if our water cycle is being disturbed, rainfall reduced. Rainfall is reduced. Okay, अब rainfall reduce होगी, कम रेन होगी तो क्या होगा? It is going to lead to droughts. जब रेन नहीं होगी, severe droughts पड़ने लगेगा, पानी की कमी हो जाएगी. We all know that it is because of the rain that we get water. Okay, so I hope what is the causes of drought is being clear. Drought is a natural cause. But it is totally related to our deforestation. Deforestation में हम क्या करते हैं? Trees की cutting करते हैं. Trees को हम cut करेंगे. पहले हमारे पास for example suppose 1000 trees थे. जब 1000 trees थे, एक एग्जांपल दे रही हूँ, वैसे तो millions of trees are there. 1000 trees थे तो जो CO2 हम निकालते हैं वो 1000 trees ने ले लिया. अभी क्या है? trees deforestation हुआ, trees काफी सारे कट हो गए, बस 100 trees बचे. हमारी पॉपुलेशन इतनी ज़्यादा है, हम CO2 इतना ज़्यादा एक्सहेल करते हैं, वो पूरा CO2 जो है कि ये 100 trees नहीं ले पाएंगे क्योंकि trees के जो क्वांटिटी है वो कम हो गई है. ओके, तो जब वो पूरा CO2 नहीं एब्जॉर्ब कर पाएंगे तो एटमॉस्फेयर में क्या होगा? CO2 का लेवल बढ़ जाएगा, इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. और जब एटमॉस्फेयर में CO2 का लेवल इंक्रीज हो जाएगा, इन एटमॉस्फेयर लेवल ऑफ CO2 increases. Okay, so when there is an increase in the level of CO2, this is going to lead to the global warming as CO2. Now what is going to happen? The heat rays are being trapped by the earth, and when these heat rays is being trapped by the earth, temperature on the earth increases. Earth का जो temperature है वो increase होगा. जब earth का temperature increase होगा, it is going to disturb the water cycle. पूरी water cycle उससे disturb हो जाएगी जब temperature बढ़ जाएगा. और जब water cycle disturb होगी रेनफॉल जो है कि रिड्यूस हो जाए। अब रेनफॉल कम होगी तो ड्रॉट्स पड़ना ही पड़ना है, मींस कि सूखा पड़ना है। ओके, सो दिस वाज अबाउट ड्रॉट्स। नेक्स्ट वी विल सी अबाउट डेजर्टिफिकेशन। व्हाट इज डेजर्टिफिकेशन, व्हाई इट इज बीइंग कॉज्ड, व्हाई इट इज वन ऑफ द रीजन ऑफ डिफॉरेस्टेशन। डिफॉरेस्टेशन की वजह से ड्रॉट्स हुए, कटिंग ट्रीज हुई, उसकी वजह से ड्रॉट्स पड़ रहा है, सूखा पड़ रहा है। डेजर्टिफिकेशन भी डिफॉरेस्टेशन की वजह से होगा। नाउ वी विल सी दैट आल्सो। So next let's talk about desertification. As the name suggests, desertification is made by a word desert. Desertification किस वर्ड से बना है, डेजर्ट से। और डेजर्ट से हम क्या समझते हैं, डेजर्ट इज अ प्लेस वेयर द सॉइल इज वेरी अनफर्टाइल, ड्राई सॉइल होता है। ठीक है, सो deforestation, because of deforestation is one of the major cause of soil change. सॉइल की प्रॉपर्टीज में जो चेंज आता है उसका एक रीजन क्या है, डिफॉरेस्टेशन। जब डिफॉरेस्टेशन होगा, एज वी हैव सीन, व्हाई ड्रॉट्स अकर, बिकॉज ऑफ द चेंज इन द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ सॉइल। सो बिकॉज ऑफ डिफॉरेस्टेशन प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ सॉइल चेंजेस, सॉइल की जो प्रॉपर्टीज है वो चेंज होगी। ओके, डिफॉरेस्टेशन की वजह से क्या होगा, द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ सॉइल दे आर गोइंग टू चेंज। ओके, अब कैसी प्रॉपर्टीज चेंज होगी सॉइल की, द फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द सॉइल गेट्स अफेक्टेड, लाइक द प्लांटेशन इज देयर, वेजिटेशन इज देयर, ऑल दीज आर बीइंग अफेक्टेड। सॉइल की जो भी फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज है तो वो अफेक्ट होगी। फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ सॉइल चेंजेस, सो द फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज चेंजेस, physical properties are being affected. Okay, कौन सी physical properties होगी, vegetation is there, or you can say plantation is also one of the physical property. Okay, so they change. Now what happens, when there is few trees, because of deforestation number of trees are being reduced, tree के number कम होंगे तो एक और चीज होगी, वो क्या है, सॉइल इरोजन। सॉइल इरोजन बढ़ जाएगा। नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज सॉइल इरोजन। सो सॉइल इरोजन इज अ phenomenon in which the topmost layer of the soil is being eroded, or you can say washed off. It can be because of wind or water. सॉइल इरोजन में क्या होता है, जो टॉपमोस्ट लेयर होती है सॉइल की वो वॉश्ड ऑफ हो जाती है। किसके कारण वॉश्ड ऑफ हो जाती है, बहुत तेज विंड की वजह से हो सकता है, या वाटर की वजह से, किसी भी रीजन से वो वॉश्ड ऑफ हो जाती है। तो डिफॉरेस्टेशन में क्या होगा कि सॉइल इरोजन जो है कि रिजल्ट्स मोर। ओके, सो ट्री की कटिंग होगी तो मोर सॉइल इरोजन होगा, टॉपमोस्ट लेयर ऑफ द सॉइल जो है वो बहुत जल्दी वॉश्ड ऑफ होगा। ओके, सो द रिमूवल ऑफ द टॉप लेयर ऑफ द सॉइल, when there will be a soil erosion, what it is going to cause, it exposes the lower hard and rocky layers. अब क्या होगा, जो topmost layer थी soil की, जो कि ज्यादा fertile होती है, ओके, वो तो हट गई। अब जब वो हट जाएगी तो जो lower layer है soil की वो ऊपर आ जाएगी। वो lower layer of the soil कैसी होती है, that is hard, that is rocky. Okay, so more soil erosion, topmost fertile layer is being washed off. Topmost fertile layer is washed off. Okay, वो washed off होगा, और जो hard and rocky lower layer is exposed. Okay, जो lower layer है soil की, जो कि rocky है, which one is hard, that is being exposed. Okay, the soil, now this soil which has been exposed, this soil is of which quality? इसका क्या फीचर है, ये soil कैसे होते हैं, ये बिल्कुल less fertile होते हैं, कि fertility ये सॉइल लेस ह्यूमस होंगे, ये सॉइल लेस फर्टाइल होंगे. So what is going to happen gradually like this because of deforestation? The fertility of a soil is being converted into a desert. जो soil की fertility है वो खत्म होती जाएगी और soil कैसा बन जाएगा? Desert soil की तरह हो जाएगा. Means उसमें आप कोई cultivation नहीं कर सकते हो, कोई crop का growing नहीं हो सकता है. And this process is called desertification. What is called desertification? When the fertility of a soil is being lost and gradually that land is being converted into desert. This is called desertification. Okay. So if a definition of desertification is asked, you will write gradually the fertility of a soil due to deforestation is being lost. And this makes the land, this converts the land into desert. Okay. जब soil की fertility ही lost हो जाएगी, when the fertility of a soil is lost, जब soil fertile रहेगा ही नहीं तो वो जो land है, वो जो area है वो क्या बन जाएगा? desert बन जाएगा, क्योंकि वहाँ पे हम कोई cultivation नहीं कर सकते, कोई crops को नहीं grow कर सकते. So this conversion of a land due to loss of its fertility is called as desertification. Okay. So I hope everything must be clear to you. I have taught you today what is deforestation, why it is caused and what is the results of deforestation. और मेजर दो चीजें हमने डिस्कस की कि डिफॉरेस्टेशन की वजह से एक तो ड्रॉट्स हो जाते हैं, बहुत ही सूखा पड़ जाता है, और सेकंड थिंग दैट वी हैव डिस्कस्ड इज अबाउट द डेजर्टिफिकेशन कि कैसे एक फर्टाइल लैंड, एक फर्टाइल एरिया डेजर्ट लैंड में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगी. ओके. और ड्रॉट्स में भी हमने देखा कि ड्रॉट्स पड़ने की वजह से रेनफॉल पे कितना, वाटर साइकिल पे कितना इफेक्ट होगा और रेनफॉल कैसे reduce हो जाती है. So it means deforestation is not good for us. Further in the part 2 we will discuss more about the different things in this chapter. We will see about biosphere, we will see how we can conserve our biosphere, how we can conserve our animals and plants and so on. So this was all for today. Here I complete my part 1. Hope you have liked my video and you have got to know the importance of forest, the importance of trees in our lives. So I would request to this young generation who are listening my lectures, please do not cut the trees unnecessarily. Okay. So this was all for today. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please give a like button, and if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please do subscribe so that you can get the daily updates of the videos which we are uploading. Okay. For any queries, in the description box, our mail ID, our phone number, everything is given. Please feel free to call to us. Okay. Or you can also visit to our website, All the Scholars website. Okay. So thank you so much.